I got the Yitahome 3-drawer shoe storage with a bench. This thing is awesome. So I just finished setting this up. As you can see here, I got this thing jam-packed with all of my shoes, and this thing actually ended up holding 35 for me. That is crazy, and you can hold even more if you have a couple kids' shoes. So this thing holds anywhere from 27 to 36 pairs of shoes, and if you include the bottom of the bench and underneath, it can hold anywhere from 29 to 38. This thing is so cool, and it saved so much space for me. I cannot even begin to tell you. I had shoes everywhere in the house, in the closet, in the garage, and it was starting to just take up so much room. And guys, wait till I close this and show you what this looks like. It looks so good. But first off, I want to show you this seat because this thing is actually surprisingly very comfy, and it's a nice leather material. This thing is really nice, and I also managed to fit a couple boots on the bottom under the seat just because they were a little bit taller, and I was so shocked to see that I could fit shoes all the way underneath. And those are good for just shoes that you wear all the time, or just house shoes or slippers, anything that you just want to throw on and off very quickly. I'd recommend to just throw them underneath. So as you see here, we have a wood grain finish support, and this is going to be the leg stands. These actually have rubberized grips on the bottom. You can actually throw a nice felt pad on that it comes with, so you can slide this on the floor really smooth without scratching any surfaces. These things look really nice, and they are angled to provide a lot of support and stability. I can't get over the black finish. This thing was super easy to set up. This is the first time that I set up a piece of furniture and didn't have to resort to a video or look it up on YouTube to see how it's done, because Yitahome's directions was so clear and to the point on absolutely everything. So there wasn't any guessing, and I'm not even joking, guys. The directions were just that good that I just was able to set this up super fast. It didn't take that long, and they provide all the tools. If you don't have your own, you can make it go faster if you do use some power tools, but it's no worries if you don't. Also, another thing to point out is I absolutely love how they have the black finish on these bolts because it just blends in with the black and it doesn't stand out. I love that. A lot of companies don't do that, and then you just have like silver bolts on the side. It looks stupid because for me, this is an entryway whenever you come in the house. This is the first thing that people are gonna see when they come into my home. That's exactly why I wanted to get this awesome bench for people, because I do have some grandparents and parents that come over that have to sit on my steps to put their shoes on, and I just think it's disrespectful. So I went ahead and got this, and I know they're gonna absolutely love it whenever they know they have a seat now to sit on. So like I was saying, this thing goes right on the side of my entryway. There's my front door. You walk all the way down. It doesn't take up that much room. When it's open, maybe a little bit. It's not very wide, so it's not gonna be like bulky and in the way. Let me shut these drawers so I can show you guys what this looks like. This is so impressive. I love these gold handles. These are so nice, and they actually have a recess on the bottom, so you can actually put your finger in here. Gives you a little bit more grip, because a couple of these shoes in here can get kind of heavy, but it's really not that bad. Opening and close it. I think Yitahome really thought of everything, and that was a nice touch to add that in there. Now I'm gonna shut this second drawer filled with shoes very easily. Closes no problem. And these are adult shoes. These are like size 10, 11, and I have a few of my wife's shoes. I would say the middle rows are gonna be good for like your flip-flops or just smaller shoes like this one right here, because you can adjust these as well, but the way that I have it, this is a little bit smaller. As you come over here to this side, you can see that these pieces of wood are adjustable, and you can adjust this at 3 different ways, top and bottom. So that can absolutely be customized to you to fit your shoes and your needs, because if you want this to go up or down to fit a little bit bigger or whatever you want to do, you can completely customize that 100%, which I think is really nice. Again, as I shut that, we're gonna just take a look at what this thing really looks like. It's so nice. Like, you can't even tell that I have that many shoes in here. I mean, you really can't even tell that I have 35 pairs of shoes all up in here. All you can see is these right here, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 right there, and that's all you can see. And I just did that for the video. I'm probably gonna take a couple of these out. Just wanna have people over, they can put their shoes there too, and I think that'll be really nice. But let's look at the top here. I wanna show you this wood finish. It's really nice. And I love the dark color on here. Has a nice wood grain style to it. Like I said, guys, this thing was really easy to put together. Did not take too much time at all. Just a little bit of elbow grease gets the job done. As long as you follow the directions, this thing is gonna be super easy to assemble. It's really nice because I'm not gonna demonstrate in this video because I have shoes underneath. Even with this thing completely full, you can still grab it from the side, and I can pull it and actually move it. And it's not even that heavy because I have the sliders on the bottom that make this really easy to move back and forth. So I'm excited. My wife's excited because we have an outlet actually behind this, and now she's going to be able to put a lamp up here, and I know she's going to love that. So that is going to be my honest review of the Yitahome 3-drawer shoe cabinet. Thanks for watching. Go check it out for yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.